We got sick and tired of reading all these comments about how much we suck. So we decided to put our time on the line, our money on the line, come to your hometown, your home turf, your home city, and show you what the Bogey Bros can do. This is the Bogey Bros Battle. What is good, Foundation Nation? We're out here at Springwood Players Course, Bogey Bro Battle against Queen City Discs.
What's up?
Let's do it.
All right, we'll start off. What are you guys', we'll do names and rating.
My name is Jaime. I'm the #1 8-year-old in the country. I'm 650 rated. I'm Jaime, I'm 15 years old, and I am 880, something like that.
Okay.
I'm Christian Sturt. I am 21. I just graduated from college, and I think the last time I checked, I was like 957. But
nice.
Who cares?
Ratings don't mean anything.
Yeah, exactly.
It just feels like I should ask, but I shouldn't. So never mind. Forget I asked.
All that matters is I'm the #1 8-year-old in the country.
Yeah, #1 8-year-old.
Watch out, Gannon, bro. Coming for you.
So scale of like 1 to 10, how confident are you guys going into this round?
12.
Oh, dang.
Dude, I wish I had Jaime's confidence. I don't know. It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. You know, putts.
So if we suck today, we can just blame it on the wet tee pads.
That is a very good point. You guys do have an out immediately.
Exactly.
You guys watch the channel?
All the time.
What advantage do you guys think you have over them?
We can throw an 800-foot roller.
Because he's the #1. Well, everyone says putting. So
Yeah.
I don't want to say putting.
Is it true though? Do you think it's true?
No,
Probably putting. This guy's got
a decent putt.
pretty decent circle 2 putt.
Not circle.
Not circle 1 though, so we'll kind of trade off for that.
Hey guys, EA Sports, big. Did you ever play any of those games?
Yeah, man. Sports ball.
283-foot par 3 to open it up. Imagining Road and Beyond's OB. We'll flip, see who goes first. Lands on this will be us. That'll be them.
Because we're the foundation logos.
That'll be us.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that like 100 times.
I'm gonna go with the proxy here.
Trevor's holding the umbrella for me.
I'm gonna do that so many times. Yeah, that was a pretty ambitious play to even go putter there.
Let's try and get more
How far
height.
is it?
280. I can see it in your eyes when you did the doo-doo. You hated it, so I'm not gonna do it. Hold it. Help putt.
Pretty good, man.
That's fine.
Yep, good shot.
That'll work.
I mean, we cannot root on the other team.
Right.
We gotta be ruthless.
Oh, no.
It's okay. He's good at circle 2 putts.
Exactly.
Get up.
Listen, I'm
Help putt.
It's okay.
Ooh.
Oh, man.
Oh, he wasn't
They
kidding.
weren't kidding.
They weren't kidding about the whole C2 thing.
No, they weren't.
That was not a bluff.
You guys are going to get a much more intimate Trevor commentary than you're used to. Good putt, Hunter.
253-foot par 3. Dead straight down this tunnel.
Very, very cool.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Put that early.
Yeah.
Slide for him.
That might be the last time I get to throw the lucid plastic today. That was.
Ooh. Oh, that was looking good.
I still have a look.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, good shot.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, my Lord. You know, I told you guys.
Get up.
340, par 3. Just straight across this field. Mando. Right of this
You
light
think you're
pole.
getting the people's buzz there?
I do. Do you not think I am?
You probably can. You just got to throw
I'm
up
going
everything
to.
you've got.
I'm going to.
You got to get everything
You know
you've
what?
got.
I'm gonna smooth it there. I'm gonna smooth it there just for you.
Okay.
Don't let MJ down.
That's the last time. That's not flipping.
I always think that this is gonna.
It doesn't flip, Hunter. It doesn't flip.
It does
But
not
like if I throw it flat, it turns. That's what's
Yeah.
confusing.
Yeah.
If you throw it flat, it turns. But if you throw it on hyzer, it doesn't flip up.
It kind of sounds like a not that great disc.
Connor, stop that.
Oh my lordy lord. That's pretty good.
Check up. Check up. Check up.
Sick.
That's not bad.
I got a pretty decent dyed disc.
Oh, that's sick.
Shout out Throjos.
Bro, Joe.
Ace.
Oh.
Oh.
just, just, I got one word for you. Ace.
Sure thing.
Hardware.
I don't think so. Whoa! Oh my God! Wait, drop!
That would be so sick. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Hey, at least it looks cool when it rolls. Like, yeah.
It was getting you to circle two. It knew that's where you
Oh yeah.
True, yeah.
I can't
You weren't going to make the 15-footer.
Doesn't matter when I got a pretty mid disc. Oh, that's so
Yeah, that's so far.
All right.
That's level. That's more level than Jaime's.
got it.
Oh, man.
Trying to swing him. Right.
380-foot par 3, just right there. This short grass on the left, you can kind of see the definition by that little ditch.
Mm-hmm.
That's OB, road and beyond OB. So
Pretty neat.
It makes this hole
Tough little
a little bit cooler.
I'm gonna try and go forehand.
that grass better be short.
That's good. Should skip. Oh yeah.
Oh.
This looks like a
at
mid.
what point do you go to fair?
I'm ignoring the distance. I'm looking at it.
Okay, all right.
Like if I throw
I'm just
my,
saying, I threw that forehand as hard as I could, and I'm like 50 short.
if I throw like a FD, I'm gonna be in the road. I think.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm just going off looks.
Nope.
I didn't turn. What's the distance? Just didn't turn it.
That was the distance.
What do you mean it wasn't?
Hunter, that landed 100 feet short of the basket.
No, not if you move it right.
Going in the basket, guaranteed.
Oh, this one's the ace. Okay.
Oh, I freaking.
Go in. If it is playing,
Oh.
but if it is,
Nice roller.
I'm just looking at it. I'm telling you, you get rocked there.
I might be able to, but I'm saying I would be throwing. I'd be throwing a rock
Oh.
as hard
Great.
as
Yeah, good shot.
There we go.
Dang.
Very nice.
Oh my lordy lord.
Oh, man.
330, par 3, short grass inbounds this hole because the basket's in the short grass. Path and beyond's OB. Got like a forehand, backhand, or straight at it if you want.
This hole is your oyster.
Ooh, I love it. Yeah. Beat that tree. Skip up a little bit. Oh.
Yeah, great shot, Hunter.
I'm going hyzer, backhand to the right, and I'll try and get it to the basket and run it. Oh, God. I'm inside of yours.
We're gonna have to step it off.
Change
I want it stepped off.
I don't know if I can throw that.
It's gotta be ace though.
Yeah, you're right. This is the ace. This is the ace. I'm so bad at this.
Get angle. Get angle.
Oh. Oh.
Get through. Found a way.
We got to put.
Oh, got it. Oh, man.
I don't have to putt today. Let's go.
7. Trevor has me by a foot and a half.
Dang, dude. That means Trevor's good, Hunter's bad.
Here's a philosophical question though. Does
Yeah,
Trevor
philosoph
throw
me.
that shot if I don't throw this shot? 300-foot par 3. Basket's just tucked behind that tree right there. OB, road, and beyond. I'll go with my Firebird.
I'll see how good yours
Hey.
is. Go in. Come on. Oh! Great shot.
20 something, I think.
I'm trying to go lower and flatter with my zone. Pump it.
A little bit louder.
Tilt it like toffee.
Dang.
Pooped out of that tree.
Pooped out of that tree.
Like coffee.
Is that how coffee's made?
Yeah, if yours is now
That's what coffee makes you do.
Oh, pooped out of a tree?
Yes. Have you ever done that?
Pooped out of a tree?
Sit up in one?
No.
Yeah, me neither.
It's called airdropping.
This one's going in.
Oh, okay, cool. I wasn't sure.
I'm so bad at this. That's bad. No, that's good.
That's your range.
That's 40 feet. That's way
You guys
too
are good at throwing it.
Yeah, that's like parks to your putt.
Do I go glitch?
Yes,
All right,
yes.
all right, I'll do it.
I mean, he's basically parked, so.
I aced 2 times in one round with the glitch. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Dang, dude.
Oh, another ace?
Kidding? Great shot.
Woo!
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, it was too
Ooh,
close.
too close. Yeah, good putt, Trevor.
567 foot par 4. Straight out there. OB Road and Beyond. Death on the right by the woods. Death by woods.
There's a chainsaw massacre. Chainsaw the third, Mr. Saul.
Better call a chainsaw.
Do you chain see that?
Oh, that's bad.
Oh,
That's a spike hyzer.
that's okay,
You know
Hunt.
what though?
What do we
Get up and down
know?
from there.
You know
We
what?
can get up and down from there.
I mean, that's golf
something
right
to think
there.
about. We can birdie from there.
Yeah, that was a golf shot.
That's all I do. I throw golf shots.
Oh,
Oh, we'll take mine.
oh no. Who knows? Oh, Trevor's running. Oh, it's good. It's good.
Never mind.
He's not gonna die.
Dog.
Perfect.
He's not gonna die.
I knew it was Trevor's.
Whole time. Hunter always knows.
ace?
Is it an ace? Oh,
Oh, he does have an 8.
roller ace.
guys saying? This one's going in.
Oh, dang. Uh-oh.
See you later. Turn for him, turn for him, turn for him.
No, get out of it.
That's fine though.
We're over there.
I'm acing that. I'm acing that.
Better than Jaime's, so just do your magic.
Did you bring your magic with you?
All right, if you don't,
No,
if you don't hurry up,
I
I'm
got
gonna-
it. Oh my
Vulture from-
gosh,
okay.
I'm so bad at disc golf, dude.
I'm not throwing DX beast that we just found.
Oh, doesn't matter when he throws it in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, right on the lock.
Let's go.
What's up, guys?
What's good, Foundation Nation?
Oh, that's it.
Am I?
Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it.
Oh, ooh.
Skip
Hunter,
putter.
Hunter, can you throw the brand new beast we found in the woods?
Custom.
Beast.
Custom beast.
Little DX Beast, little grass dye on it.
Right
This
there.
would be a moment. One time.
Get in there.
Ooh, ooh.
You know what?
It was cool
Leave
though.
that in the middle there for
did they-
the
how did
new
they-
player to find
How
and
did they
fall in love
prank
with.
us right there?
Hunter, you got pranked.
565 feet of a par 4 is where we found ourselves. OB, Road and Beyond left, baskets out by the pavilion. Show him, Connor.
OB, beyond the road left, and the basket's in front of the pavilion.
Show him the curl.
Hey, Curl.
Going to the tee pad, I have about 340 from there.
Are you going Venom?
Yeah, I'm gonna flex it.
Heck yeah. Let's skip up. Yeah, that's a good spot. Get around it. Oh. Dang.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Skip.
Oh.
All right, I got you.
Yeah, what? That'll work. That'll work.
Yeah, that works.
Oh yeah,
Oh no,
that's Jaime range.
Good shot.
so short.
Yeah, I guess it said it was supposed to stop at 2. Yeah. Come on, get up.
Dang.
Did.
Ooh. Good bid. Oh, Hunter.
Great putt.
300-foot par 3. It's kind of tucked in behind those 2 trees. Looks like you can go backhand or forehand. Forehand looks a little better, or a backhand turnover.
Yeah.
Seems like a little more friendly of a gap. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet.
Hunter's forehand's goated right now.
Yeah.
That's so bad.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Is it short
So
though?
bad.
A little short?
Just a little
Got
bit, but I think
past
it's
that
good.
last tree, but I don't know how far past that last tree the basket is.
Didn't get all that.
Should be fine though.
I think yours is pretty close.
I thought you were going to scrape your knuckles on the ground on that one.
I like it. Yeah.
Yeah, good shot.
Great.
I knew that one wasn't going in because you didn't say it was.
Yeah, I had to say it. That's the only good shot I had. Oh yeah. Get far.
Oh,
Ooh,
good shot.
dang. I was online. Oh my goodness.
290 foot par 3 straight downhill.
It's a monsoon out here.
OB road and beyond to the left. Starting to really rain. Not RT though.
Trying to really bum me out. Stop it.
Stop it, Rain.
Stop it, Rain.
Get away from me.
This one's for Riley.
Who's Riley?
Come on, Big Rye. Come on, Rye Bread. You guys call him Rye Bread?
Hey!
Oh, heck yeah.
Hey, you're what in the world? You're holding out on us.
Oh, it's incredible. Your backhand's filthy.
It's yeah.
Thanks, Gannon Burr. Go ahead. He's going glitch again. I love it.
Oh my.
Oh yes. Get far.
Go!
That's very nice good. That's pretty good.
Dude, show him what Hunter does.
My shot.
Oh, get stable one time for him one time, will ya?
Get the basket.
What the heck? That was mean, that thing, what it did to you just then.
Well, I threw it a little flatter than I intended.
That's not like you. Problem is, the disc I want to throw, I cannot have thrown it because it will be wet. This is not going to go well.
I have a towel in my bag.
It's okay.
What?
It'll be alright.
Use my towel.
If I don't absolutely park the mess out of it, then you can be mad.
I'm okay.
Did you just kick one of your feet?
That's further than I thought.
Why didn't you use my towel?
There was not the wetness of the disc, I promise.
That's what I'm gonna use, and I'm disappointed in you.
There's 3 boys in an umbrella. Oh, it's 2 boys in. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh, nuts.
Good
555 foot par 4. You see kind of where the woods outjuts over there?
Yeah.
And it goes around that and then kind of on the wood line. So just kind of get something out in the field and you should have a pitch up for your birdie.
It'd just be a jolly good time from there.
Of course, there's a bridge right there.
That's not the tee.
Yeah, it is.
Wait, which one?
Oh, that's the tee.
This is. Hi, this.
Yeah, what are
We
we
throw
doing?
at the same time.
Were you guys about to throw at the same time?
That would have been awesome.
This is true
I
doubles
was on
here.
tee
Here.
right there. I thought that was a tee.
That would have been hilarious.
I walked-
Oh, I wish you had said something. That would have been awesome.
Roller. Down.
Rolling,
And stop.
Rolling. Is it passing?
Yeah, past it.
Oh. Doesn't matter when I got Christian. Oh, get left.
That's really nice.
Off the
Skip.
pad.
Skip. Oh, get extra distance.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You got a little boost down there.
Oh,
There, Hunter. 83, Zeus.
Rip it. Rip it.
Go with my D3 here.
That's funny.
It's not that disc. You didn't grip lock it this time.
Chick-fil-A destroyer.
Oh, you did? Oh!
I was
You,
trying to hyzer flip it
That's
straight.
fine.
I just keep grip locking.
he's like a little kid just like
You
waiting.
can't look at that. You can't know Trevor straight.
That's for our Patreon only.
Are you trading my secrets?
No, I covered it.
That's two.
2 flipped.
Don't get flippy on me now.
Hyzer on him, hyzer on him, hyzer on him, hyzer on him.
Hunter, we just threw almost the same shot.
Hey, but you have a good run up on the middle though.
Yeah, dude. You threw it.
got it.
So mid today, man.
Hmm.
Oh no.
Where the heck did that just go?
That's not good.
Hit the tree?
Yeah.
Wow, Trevor. That's cool, man.
Feet, but I'd like to be closer. I'd prefer it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Don't worry, Zone OS. We may have made a mess out of this one. This is just not us, man.
It's just not. Wow. Shout out Bobby Scene. Ooh. What do you think about that, Jaime?
394 foot par 3, straight out there. That's all there is to it.
It's a full-on rain at this point.
It's raining. It's
It's
miserable.
no longer a sprinkle.
All it's supposed to. Trevor told us multiple times, guys, it's not gonna rain.
Guys, don't ever play them. They're torturing us.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Into the thing.
Roll.
Play it
yeah.
safe. Play it safe.
Now we're playing disc golf.
Oh, boy.
Nope, that's slippy.
Oh, frisbee.
All right, Hunter, let's do this.
Whoopsies.
That was a full
Better see
whoopsie.
yellow under
Throw
there.
the towel.
No, it's my passion.
Always a passion.
Flip! It's okay. That's a good effort.
Yeah, that's good. I'm about to get umbrella. I just got so wet.
Sorry about that. My legs seem so wet, so I'm gonna get closer to you if you're okay with that.
I don't want to be here anymore.
But this is only hole 10? 11? Only 7 more, baby.
Yeah, this is 12.
Turn for him,
Travis.
turn for him, turn for him, turn for him, turn for him, turn for him.
Trevor's the goodest out of us all.
Cut down the hill. Cut down the hill. It did. It did.
Kinda.
I think it did. I think it went all the way down.
Great shot, Big Trev.
I think you're gonna like that, Trevor.
Right on. Get quaked. Bank shot.
Oh no.
Hey.
No, that's a good.
Fine. That's fine.
Yeah, good shot.
Nice, Jaime.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Was that a circle 1 putt I just saw?
245 foot par 3. Just out this gap. Chilling on the hill right there.
Oh, good shot. Good shot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dude. Oh. Wow.
Nuts.
Mardowski?
Well, that's it.
Oh my God.
Heaven's the bestie. What do you think about that, Hunter?
I think I threw a bad shot.
Oh yeah, there we go.
And we're out again.
What? Hunter, pick a disc out of my bag.
Any disc out of your bag?
Any disc.
Which one's the funnerest? This one. Here you go.
Oh no.
Yeah.
We played ourselves.
Oh no.
That's his perfect putting range, though.
That is true.
Exactly.
It's just so funny because you guys are like only 1 stroke behind and you're asking me to pick this out of your bag for you. Like, I do respect that.
That's perfect. That's perfect. That's
trouble.
right on range. Christian.
Perfect. You guys are perfect.
Oh, he can't grip anything.
Let's go, Hunter. Oh, that's in.
Big spin guy?
Oh no.
I was like laying up to Trevor to go.
I mean, out.
Nope, please don't do that.
Oh, it's in.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I don't know if you're holding it. Stop trying to put it in my pocket.
It's just like
I don't. I have a
it's an
thing.
umbrella.
I have a thing. I don't like when people put things in my shirt pockets.
He hates. Don't do it. Stop. He hates that. No look. No look. Oh, you're
Okay,
card.
all right.
No look. No look. Don't you dare look.
I don't
through
even.
the
I don't even know
inspector.
about the exposure.
Don't you dare look through the
All
inspector.
right,
Connor's
that's
no
wide
looking right
open.
now, guys. If you're listening to this, Connor's no looking.
I'm not looking in the thing.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm really not. Okay, fine. I really won't look.
Oh my goodness, dude.
You probably just like zoomed in so hard. Let's see how good your muscle memory is.
Yes! Let's
You think I got it?
I did it.
Nice, Trev.
387 foot par 3, just straight down the road here.
All right, this rain can knock it off.
Yeah.
This rain needs to go on somewhere. Back into the sky.
Yeah.
Connor, put this clip in reverse so we can send the rain to the sky.
I kind of like that.
Yeah, I don't mind it.
Yep.
That'll work.
Not bad.
Oh yeah, that is not.
No grip.
Hit a house.
Right in the middle of the path.
Yeah, how did you get anything on that? Like,
Hunter's going full hunch. Huncher.
Hunter Thomas.
Oh, big hunch.
That's actually great because like it's not gonna be there, but like
Yeah.
it's good. It's down there. We won't.
Great shot, big hunch.
Thank you.
Mmm.
Is that a,
The most depressing part of that is that you have to walk and get that disc.
In the rain.
In the rain. And Connor's gonna have your umbrella, so you're gonna be wet.
Yeah.
This one's for Joseph Phillips.
Come on, Big Joe.
That's for you.
Drop.
Ooh. I liked it though. I liked it a lot.
Decent.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
drop
no
it.
way.
Get it.
Oh!
Run that thing in. Run that thing in.
Go.
Let's go.
Hey man, how do you feel about that?
I feel pretty decent, you know. I wish it was me, but look at that man run. It's just amazing to watch.
I don't even know why I throw them. I just throw
You should just start trying to just throw it in.
I guess.
And jump putts aren't working. 390 foot par 3, just straight down the path pretty much.
Oh man, that slipped out of my hand.
Go in.
Someone else get. Go
Goal.
in. Oh, I almost scored.
Ooh.
Didn't even
Typically I wouldn't throw mid, but this is the only disc I can somewhat grip right now.
I like it.
It's fine. It's fine. It's coming out. It's coming out. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Whoopsie.
No, come out.
Get lucky.
No lucky.
FD. Love it. That's not flipping.
Nice flip. Mother.
Hey.
Oh, I think it was the right disc choice by
Probably.
distance, but
Probably.
I need to put a Mockingbird back in my bag.
Huh.
That one I threw it.
You threw that very high.
We are getting worse.
Green light.
Oh no.
Whole world misses, so Jaime can miss. Oh!
513 foot par 4.
Where are we going?
So it plays out straight, and then that parking lot's OB, and the basket kind of like curves around to the left.
Goodness.
So, well, it's
Now we're
sick
playing
except for
disc
there's
golf.
not really a gap.
There's
to get.
not.
Hit the gap.
Now we're playing disc
I mean, there's
golf.
one straight in front of you, but that doesn't really take you where you want to go.
I want to go forehand, but
Uh-huh.
I'm scared I'm gonna hang it and it's gonna hit that house. Does the foundation have insurance if I?
No, we don't have insurance. That's the thing. Yeah.
Roll into the house. Wait. Stop.
It did not hit the house. Yeah.
Off the path. No.
Oh.
I'm fine.
Yeah. Great shot, Trevor.
Oh my goodness, get through. Are you kidding?
Look out, Hunter. Look out, Hunter.
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
Wow.
That's really good.
Nice
Wow.
shot, dude.
Nice.
Sorry.
Take it home.
Fairway. I yanked it. Stop. Dang it. Skip.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a B.
Oh, it's butter. Go in. One time.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Good shot, Hunter.
Wow, that was sick.
Alright, whatever you thought, you should have done the other one.
Oh.
Oh, I hope you didn't like that disc.
I think it's half the width.
Starting to lose a little mobility. I don't know what happened to me.
Hmm.
My
You
body
didn't warm up. Everyone made fun of Hunter for stretching. You know what? Legs feeling good.
Four.
Oh, it's rolling backwards. How is that?
Oh, a little deep. A little deep.
Good putt.
Thank you.
303 foot par 3. Right there. Road and beyond OB. Kind of a little tricky line. Mainly because that speed hump sign.
Get up. Get up. Yeah.
I think it's safe.
I think
Because this
so.
is safe. It's just the road.
Oh. Oh yeah. Okay.
That's how I read the sign.
Yeah, I'm Ricky.
Yeah.
Good shot.
Great shot.
The only disc I can get to do that on hyzer is a honey.
Why am I throwing so wide? Skipping.
I might skip.
Oh, come on,
Yeah.
baby.
Oh!
They're just taking a beating right now. Hit it. Oh. Great shot.
Oh,
I want
Good putt.
262-foot par 3. Construction going on behind me. Someone's put a pool in. Good for them.
Yeah.
Dead straight ahead. Road and beyond OB. It looks like a path safe.
Oh, it slid. All we have to throw 2 forehands good in a row.
Dang.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, okay.
Oh goodness.
Skip.
That was scary.
Oh, skip again. Oh no. That's safe. Yeah, that's not drop. Oh, we got a putt. That's not
Yeah, that's a putt.
in the backyard. Good bid.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Ooh.
Ooh, might want to lay this up. I'm just saying.
379-foot par 3 to round us out here. Straight up there. Road and beyond left is OB. Looks like the road kind of curves up a little closer to the basket, but not too much to worry about.
Hmm.
Shoot.
Oh, frick. Oh, it got through.
Right in the middle.
Okay.
I made doors open.
Could have been worse.
This one's in, I swear.
Oh no.
Oh, it's flippy. OB.
Well darn.
What happened?
It's in the road.
Oh no.
The same thing. Oh no.
Oh no.
Long drive. Long drive on this hole. Yeah.
Oh no.
Would have gone in. Would have gone in if it wasn't for that tree.
Oh my goodness. Come on.
Oh my goodness. That had really good height on it.
All right, first
Dang.
effort. Tester. It's a tester.
Trevor, why'd you do that, man?
All right, let me put the.
I'm not really good. I'm not really good at that anymore. I was good at that for a little bit. It's not really my thing anymore.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Oh man. Oh man. It is gonna go down to the putt, ladies and gentlemen.
I mean, we still have to play.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, good putt, Hunter.
I just waited to hear it.
Oh, heck yeah.
Thank you.
All right, that wraps it up. Thank goodness I finally made that putt, huh? That could have been. I don't even know what we've done for a playoff. If you haven't yet, check them out on Instagram. Link in the description down below. Queen City
Disc.
Disc. So check that out on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.